Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Axie Infinity Axie Movesets Explained. Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game where players can collect, breed, and battle creatures known as Axies. Each Axie has a unique set of attributes and moves that determine its performance in battle. To start, it is essential to understand the different types of moves in Axie Infinity. There are 4 main types of moves, including normal, special, and last stand moves. Normal moves are the standard attacks that Axies use. Special moves are more powerful and have unique effects. And last stand moves are used when an Axie's health is low. When building an Axie moveset, it is crucial to consider the Axie's attributes, such as its health, speed, and morale. A well-balanced moveset should include a mix of normal and special moves that complement the Axie's attributes. For example, an Axie with high speed should have moves that take advantage of its speed, such as quick and powerful attacks. Another key concept to understand is the idea of move synergies. Move synergies occur when 2 or more moves work together to create a powerful effect. For example, an Axie with a move that increases its speed and another move that deals damage based on its speed can create a powerful synergy. In addition to understanding move types and synergies, it is also important to consider the Axie's class and breed. Different classes and breeds have unique strengths and weaknesses, and building a moveset that takes these into account can be crucial for success. To illustrate this concept, let's consider an example. Suppose we have an Axie with the reptile class and a moveset that includes a normal move that deals damage and a special move that heals the Axie. This moveset takes advantage of the reptile class's high health and ability to heal itself. In conclusion, building an effective Axie moveset requires a deep understanding of the different types of moves, move synergies, and the Axie's attributes, class, and breed. By considering these factors and building a well-balanced moveset, players can create powerful and effective Axies that can dominate in battle. Remember to experiment with different movesets and strategies to find what works best for you and your Axies.